Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, I might look like a bit of a mess because it's the weekend. This is real me, this is real life, this is real life kitchen, and I'm just cooking something for the kids. And I really didn't want to dress up today, so I am in my comfiest of clothes and making something delicious but also a bit new. So I am making cauliflower mango falafel. It's also got chickpeas as the base, but I'm adding lots of new flavors to it and it's going to be absolutely amazing. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get on with this delicious meal. So these are a cup full of chickpeas which I soaked overnight. They have been soaking, they have doubled in size, they are really kind of fluffy and lovely. So I'm just going to scoop these out, and I used a cup of chickpeas and put them in a blender. I'm not draining them, I'm just scooping them out because what it does is it leaves a little bit of moisture in the chickpeas. So that's what I'm trying to do. Next goes in a roughly chopped onion. Right, a couple of delicious additions is a handful of coriander leaves, and I'm just using stalk and all because it's just going to be lots of lovely flavors. Also, I want a bit of heat, so 2 green chilies will go in, and then a couple of garlic cloves. Don't need to chop it up, just peel and that will be enough. Then I'm going to add a little, not little, all of this green mango, because boy, it's going to add amazing flavor to our falafel. I've peeled the skin and I'm just going to very roughly chop the sour green mango into chunks. There is not loads of quantity, but it adds a beautiful, delicious flavor, like I said. Another exciting addition, is a couple of cauliflower florets, just like a big handful, and I'm just going to roughly chop and just break it up and add to this. And before I blitz it up, I am going to, so before I add any spices, I'm going to roughly blitz this up. The thing is all blitzed up. You can see it's not very fine, so I haven't blitzed it up fine. I love a bit of bite in the falafel. I don't want it in a paste. So everything is here. Now I'm going to add the spices. So I need a teaspoon of salt, a little bit more. Then I have got here some lovely cardamom, ground cardamom, a teaspoon of that. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. It's a lot of mixture. Let's do 3 teaspoons. So you don't want any lack of flavor. And this is something that I'm adding. It's not traditional at all, but I promise it'll be delicious. It's 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. And now goes in the gram flour. I need teaspoons for that, tablespoons for that. So I'll add, to begin with, I don't need much of the gram flour, is just to kind of help it bind together. So 5 tablespoons of gram flour, and that should be enough. And then all that's left to do is mix, mix, mix. Smells lovely. Now this can go out for sure. And this big piece of mango can go out. Oh, it smells so good. Right, I have got here some. Actually, I'm frying in groundnut oil today, not my usual sunflower oil. And I can tell it's really hot because I can feel the heat coming off the pan. But if you want to make sure it's hot, you could just dip one of them first. So I've got the mixture ready. I've mixed all the spices in, everything. And now I'm going to shape them. So you could shape them round, you could shape them oval, however you like. It's super easy. It's quite fun thing to do actually. So I'm gonna shape a few. I don't like them very big because slightly smaller falafel cook evenly. Look at that. And you don't want this on very high heat because they will turn golden on the outside immediately, but they won't cook from the inside. These are looking beautifully golden. Look at that. Just going to get them out on some kitchen roll for a minute to get rid of excess oil and then continue frying the others. As you know, I'm not too much into freezing food, but what you can do is sometimes if I have too much mixture, this should really feed a family of 4 to 6. You can cook them all, put them in the fridge. I sometimes reheat them in the oven. If it's too much, then you could reheat them in a pan, cover it with a lid. It takes a couple of minutes and reheats. Sometimes I leave this mixture in a box in the fridge, and then maybe tomorrow I will fry them fresh when we are sitting down to eat. So it's up to you. I'm sure it can be frozen, but I won't be the right person to comment on that. Yeah, let's break into one of these and check it out. So just gonna get a couple of tablespoons of yogurt in a bowl, a little bit of cumin powder, a pinch of salt, just give it a little stir, and I'm just gonna add some chili flakes. Smells so good. Wow, that is flavors dancing in my mouth. That is unreal. There's so much happening. I love falafel any day. Trust me, I love falafel. But this is just next level delicious with the mango and the cauliflower and that chaat masala. So good. I really hope you're going to love it. We're going to sit down, enjoy this meal this weekend. I hope you will too. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon, guys. This is like, wow. This is like crazy wow.